Alright, so I picked up this iPhone 13 Pro 1 TB. It was completely destroyed. Got a new housing, battery, camera. The dot projector was the stock one, and Face ID should have worked, but I tore that ribbon cable, so that's unfortunate. But anyways, here I'm showing you that apparently I bought an OEM camera assembly, and it reports it as that in the software, but it refuses to calibrate. So choose network. I don't think that matters. Alright. Agree. Yep, so that's what it says. Display is the display is from iFixit.com. It's the soft OLED, but I'm assuming this is talking about that flex cable that that allows Face ID and all that stuff to work. Battery is replaced. That's an iFixit part as well, so that's legit. This rear camera, this is something I got off of eBay, Amazon, I can't remember, but anyways, these two shouldn't, display and battery should, not work as it says, but the rear camera should be able to register. But if I try to do it, it fails. Okay. It'll fail like immediately. Ready? Yeah. See, it's like my 10th time doing it today. Sorry about that. So I went to the official Apple sanctioned right to repair store, which is kind of contradictory in itself as a statement. I like how iFixit has Google official parts. I'm recording on my Google Pixel Fold 1. I replaced a bunch of parts on it easily. But this is what they charge for it. Display and screw kit, $2.79. The display is fine on mine. I just need that little stupid flex cable for Face ID. And camera. Are you freaking kidding me? Funny thing is, I looked on Swap on eBay. I could have gotten an iPhone 14 Pro or maybe 15 Pro for this price. Yeah, it's just a sunk cost thing. Just I don't fucking know anymore. Bad financial mistake. This stupid phone.